Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how I make my old-fashioned oatmeal in the microwave. So I'm making 2 servings, so that's 1 cup of oats. And I like mine to be nice and creamy and rich, so that's why I put it in the microwave. And then you need about 1 cup and 1 and 1 3/4 cups of water for 2 servings on the way that this measurement pans out. And then I'll go ahead and I put it in the microwave. I usually put it on for about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, but I break it down into 2 increments because sometimes when it gets too hot and it's in there for 3 minutes straight, it'll boil over and you don't want that. Because then you have a mess to clean up and you lose some of your oatmeal. And I don't like losing my oatmeal. So that's the second increment. And then here it is, nice and creamy and hot. And so I went ahead and I added a little salt to bring out the flavor. And I added some cinnamon. And then I went ahead and I added a little vanilla flavoring just to bring out some more of the flavor. And this is how my son likes it to taste. So this actually was a recipe that I made up for him because I didn't eat this much oatmeal until after I had my son. And I added in some brown sugar. This really isn't a lot of sugar. Remember, this is a serving for 2 people. And it's going to make it taste so delicious. And then I added some butter. Don't judge my dirty butter, as Mark Curry would say. That's all cinnamon and sugar that's on our butter. So it'll be used again for oatmeal the next time. And we have more butter. So anyway, this is the end result.